So we're going to load the Harley Davidson Sportster in the truck today, and the thing you want to do is reduce the angle from the ramp to the tailgate. If it's like street level, these Harleys are going to bottom out like I've done several times. So I found a little incline here, raised the truck up a little bit of an incline, reduced that angle there, and now we're going to put the Sportster in the truck. You know, on YouTube you can see all kinds of guys trying to show how to load a bike, and I think some of it is deliberate in stupidity, where they get like a running start. You gotta remember, you have a powerful motorcycle. All I'm going to do is start this bike, put it in first gear, creep up to the ramp, line up with my Pingle wheel chock in the bed, and then just feather the clutch out. It just pulls me right up in the truck. Here we go. That's all you got to do. And you're up there just like that. So now I have my assistant hand me my tie down straps, and we get it tied down for travel. So if you're on your way to Sturgis like I am, this is about how to load your bike and everything, and I'll show you how my ramp system works. I try not to stay in RV parks, so I've got a generator here, and there's a bit of a system to get everything in here. I got a tri-fold ramp. It's going to go right in here. It's secured by two tie-down straps underneath. I'm going to undo them at this time. Okay, let me get the kickstand up. This tarp kind of helps protect the edge of your tailgate. So you probably already know, always lock your stuff up, but there's always somebody, like on Main Street Sturgis, for example. I've seen it in other bike events where guys get off their bike and they don't lock their ignition, and there's predators at these big rallies that watch for stuff like that, and the guy comes back and his motorcycle's gone. So anyway, if you got it locked up, they'll move on to the guy who doesn't have his stuff locked up. Okay, that gives a little support there, except for tossing up the tailgate. I'm all done and ready to go. Like and subscribe if you're in the mood. Thank you. May God richly bless you.